Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I have a different type of video for you. We've had some snow since last night, and it's been snowing and snowing non-stop, and it's already about 12:30 and it's still falling. The snowflakes are pretty thick, it's all sticking, and it just looks so beautiful that I needed to share it with you. My hubby is on the other side. The noise that you hear is the snowblower. So he is starting to clear the path, at least the driveway. The grass you never have to touch because it's just grass. But we need to clear that driveway. And it takes a while even with the snowblower. But he's working on it, and soon I will be out to help with the pathway here. This is the pathway that leads to the stairs to come into the house. So in a little while I'll be out here and I'll take a shovel. I mean, he actually can do it with the snowblower too, but I usually like to do that, and I like to do the back also, the deck. That's where we put the patio chairs on. So yes, so this is the beautiful snow that has fallen. Beautiful. I just love it. I love when it's like that, nice and fresh. Just fell. So yes, I wanted to share this. I hope that you've enjoyed this little bit in this video, and I thank you so much for watching.